we were thinking, you know, you'd have to sell an internal organ to pay the energy bills.
So I guess the first question is, what made you choose green energy technologies?
We did quite a bit of research leading up to replacing the old solar and putting new solar on. We wanted someone who's local.
Well, how many companies did you chat with?
Probably about 6, I'd want to say.
Oh gee, what were like the key things that you really liked about green energy technologies?
Well, I think the key things were they spoke in real language. Previous other ones were kind of trying to bamboozle me. It was about, okay, this is a real problem, let's help you fix it.
You had Thomas come out and see. What was that experience like from start to finish?
Thomas just kind of cut through any of the ridiculous talk about, you know, kilowatts and all the things I don't understand, and just said to me, this is what you need to do, this is what you're looking at, this is what the benefit will be.
Yep.
And that's exactly what I needed to hear, was what was the benefit to me.
Yes.
It wasn't just, I'll sell you a product and here you go.
Yep.
He was actually really interested in helping us to reduce that energy bill. So opposed between $900 to $1,200 a month,
yep,
we are getting bills of around $200 a month.
Wow, that's a substantial saving. And how did you find the installation process, like the boys rocking up, doing the install?
The crew came and they didn't just kind of get going, they all knocked on the front door, introduced themselves.
Yep.
Then kind of said, we're here to do the solar, this is so exciting, you know. They obviously love what they do.
Yep.
And I was like, yeah, I'm more excited than you are, so let's get cracking.
If someone was, I suppose, thinking about solar, but maybe they just weren't quite sure, or they're sitting on the fence, I guess what would you be your advice for them?
At my work at the moment, a number of people that have just kind of are new to Townsville,
yes, just
bought houses,
yep,
and so they were sort of thinking, oh, you know, it doesn't have solar, so I said, look, have a seat. You need to call these people. The previous properties we've owned have had solar as well,
yep,
but they've been a company who've come to Townsville, flown in, put a few systems in, and then they're gone again. They're not based here, and there's no follow-up service.
Yep.
So you're kind of left with a system that A, doesn't work, you can't repair, and you know nothing about.
Yes.
So this experience with green energy technologies has been amazing. You know, you want other people to have a good experience as well.